Soldier fly larvae. They stink. They stink. But the birds love them. Piggy tried them and was not impressed. Piggy likes them juicy. So I'm going to rehydrate some of these later for Piggy. Although once I crushed one for Piggy, Piggy was down for it. Piggy was like, okay, I'll eat this. Piggy was so upset this morning because I offered peanut butter instead of the worms. I hadn't gone to pick them up yet. And didn't want peanut butter. Took a bite, didn't want it. He was like, no, I don't think so. It's like feeding chickens.